2 minuto lang, dinurog ni Casimiro ang Amerikano. 2 beses bumagsak, hindi na nakatayo. Kung akala mong tapos na si Cuadro Alas, panoorin mo to hanggang dulo. Isang taon siyang nawala, isang taon siyang pinagtawanan, binaliwala at hinusgahan ng lahat. Pero sa loob lang ng 2 minuto at 41 segundo, ipinaalala ni General Cuadro Alas Casimiro kung bakit siya naging 3 Division World Champion. Ito ang kwento ng pagbabalik ni Casimiro kontra sa Amerikano na si Saul Sanchez. October 13, 2024, Yokohama, Budokan, Japan. Bago pa man magsimula ang laban, talo na si Casimiro sa timbangan sa limit na 122 pounds. Tumimbang siya ng mahigit 124 pounds, halos 1 kilo ang sobra. Kaya naman lahat ng pressure nasa kanya. 35 years old na, galing sa 1 taong bakasyon at kalaban ang 27 anyos na si Saul Sanchez na may record na 21 wins at 12 knockouts.
WBO 世界スーパーバンタム級第6位世界3階級制覇王者元 IBF 世界ライトフライ級チャンピオン元 IBF 世界フライ級チャンピオンそして元 WBO 世界バンタム級チャンピオンFormer 3weight champion of the world John Neal Casimiro ここで下手な姿は見せられませんさあモンスターへの挑戦状叩きつけられるかジョン・リエル・カシメロプロ成績は21戦19勝2敗19勝のうち12勝がノックアウト公式計量はバンタム級リミット118パウンドアメリカ合衆国カリフォルニア州出身現在のランクは WBO 世界バンタム級第10位サウザ・ビーストサンチェスザ・ビーストサウル・サンチェス
Marami ang nagsabi na baka ito na ang katapusan ni Cuadro Alas. Pero pag tunog pa lang ng bell, alam mong iba ang dala ni Casimiro. Hindi siya nagpakiramdaman. Sinugod niya agad si Sanchez. Wala pang 30 segundo. Boom! Isang malutong na overhand right ang tumama mismo sa mukha ni Sanchez. Parang nawala sa ere ang Amerikano. Bagsak, unang knockdown. Pilit na tumayo si Sanchez. Akala niya kaya pa, pero nagkamali siya. Inamoy ni Casimiro ang dugo, sunod-sunod na kombinasyon at pagdating sa gitna ng round, isang malinis, maiksing left hook sa panga, direkta, walang depensa. Bumagsak ulit si Sanchez sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Tumayo pa siya, pero kita ng referee na wala na siya sa sarili. Hindi na niya kayang ipagtanggol ang sarili niya, kaya tinigil na ang laban. First round TKO, 2 minutes and 41 seconds lang. Tinapos ni Casimiro. At pagkatapos ng lahat, anong ginawa ni Casimiro? Yung signature one-hand push-up niya sa gitna ng ring. Yun ang mensahe niya sa buong mundo. Hindi pa siya tapos. Umangat ang record niya sa 34 wins, 4 losses, and 23 knockouts. Pero higit pa sa numero, pinatunayan niya na kahit gaano kabigat ang batikos sa labas ng ring, ang tunay na kampyon sa loob pa rin ng ring sumasagot.
explosive start here for Casimero, who really likes his right hand, as we've seen in previous fights, Kenito.
Well, Casimero is a very, very aggressive fighter. As you see, he's leading off with the left hand, but his right hand is always cocked. That's the big straight or a right hook or a right cross.
You can see Ramirez, they're using him, but Casimero wanting to let his power be known early, it seems like.
You also see the left hand of Casimero dangling sometimes down his side.
Now moving to get a chance to be a world champion again. He's 30 years old.
He's measuring his opponent. He's moving in, but he's got to be careful. Ramirez looking to counter. He's going to be prepared to throw that right. For Casimero, the right hand. That time a nice left hand.
that was a
Beautiful
knockdown.
left
That was
hand.
a knockdown.
Beautiful left hand.
Nice counter there, perfectly timed. And Ramirez says, you know, sometimes when you get hit in the circuit,
Ngunit imbis na manghina itong si Ramirez, mga brad, dahil sa tinamong pinsala sa pagkaka-knockdown, ay tila mas lalo pa itong nag-init sa laban. Pinakita nito ang dugo ng pagiging isang Mexican fighter. Makipagsabayan ito kay Angas, kaya naman bahagya itong nakabawi sa mga sumunod na rounds.
Putting it here towards the end and get this round. Coasted in round number 4. Now in round number 5, there's a slip. There's a slip. Oh, they call a knockdown. They call a knockdown.
Here another right.
Oh,
but a
nice
nice, wow, solid right from the Mexican.
That got Casimero's attention.
Yep. This is getting interesting, Kenito. Yeah, he's gonna want to get back.
Casimero's holding on. Distance. A nice shot to the body by Casimero that time. Closer.
Throws it in.
To Ramirez, put his head on Ramirez's chest and wail away. Nice shot to the body there by Casimero from a short distance.
Oh,
nice shot.
that was a big right
Ramirez.
from Ramirez.
That time he
Oh,
had his
another
distance.
right. Oh, Ramirez now pouring it on.
Big. This fight is not going to go the distance.
No,
Nice
both.
shot. Casimero.
Nice
Third round to the fifth round.
The right Kenito, blood from the nose of the Mexican. You have to come up with something big.
Exactly. He's been down twice. He knows.
Oh, Ramirez holds on. Whoa.
Both fighters are down. You also see that Ramirez is breathing from the mouth. He's having difficulty breathing because of the
Oh,
blood
another
coming out of his
solid
nose.
right from
Here we go.
Casimero.
And he's down.
Oh.
He's down. They're going to call a knockdown.
Wow.
A solid
Casimero went through the ropes there. Versus Filipino duels.
And what about this body attack now?
Oh
By
boy.
John Riel Casimero.
He seems to want to finish the fight in this round. Can he do it?
Ramirez seems to be folding up here.
But he's fighting back.
When he's taking those shots
Oh,
to the midsection
Yes.
on his body.
There's your... Oh. Wobbly legs.
He's ready to go.
Oh. Casimero just itching to launch here. Looking for the opening.
Ramirez has little left. But for Casimero, one shot to the midsection.
That's what he's looking for. A shot to... But make no mistake about it. Oh, down! It's down! It's down! And I think it's out! It's over!
That's it.
Oh, what a
We knew it was
beautiful ending to this fight!
We knew it was gonna happen. He had very little left.
Oh!
And flat on his back. Unbelievable ending.
What a
John Riel Casimero.
What a fantastic show there from the Philippines.
Ang tanong ngayon, handa na ba ulit ang mundo para sa isa pang world title run ni Cuadro Alas? Ano sa tingin mo, tropa? Kaya pa ba ni Casimero maging world champion ulit? I-comment mo sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe.